Hi everyone. Let us learn a few more topics relating to the subject Fundamentals of Management and Life Skills. In this session, the topics that we are learning about are meaning, definition, characteristics and components of attitude. First of all, let us understand the meaning of attitude. Attitudes are the set or cluster of beliefs towards objects, events or situation. Each and every person will be having his own kind of beliefs towards a particular situation or object or a person or an event. That is what we call an attitude. And this may be either right or wrong. That is, we will be having our own kinds of emotions, we will be having our own previous kinds of experiences, because of which we will be having our own mindset that is some kind of beliefs towards a particular situation. The definition of attitude. The definition given by Gordon Allport: attitude is defined as a mental and neural state of readiness, organized to experience, exerting a directive or dynamic influence upon individual response to all objects and situations with which it is related. Here it means to say attitude is related to mental and neural state of readiness of a person, and it is based upon the previous experiences, and it is having a dynamic influence on individual's response, that is influence on how an individual responds to a particular situation. But Pierre Lawrence, he defines attitude as attitude represent the cluster of beliefs, assessed feelings and behavioral intentions towards an object. Here he means to say it is a group of beliefs a person has regarding a particular object, a person or an event, and his own kind of feelings about the same, and based upon these things he behaves in a way because he has such kind of intentions because of his previous experiences, his beliefs and feelings. Smith and Mackey, he defines attitude as an attitude is any cognitive representation that summarizes our evaluation of an object, which may be the self, other people, things, actions, events or ideas. So as per Smith and Mackey, it is the cognitive representation. Cognitive here it means nothing other than the beliefs, and that belief regarding a particular object, person or an event, it may be regarding ourselves, or maybe towards other people, or maybe regarding a particular event, or maybe regarding a particular idea, things or actions. Characteristics of attitude. These are some important characteristics of an attitude. First of all, affective, cognitive, consistency. They say that there has to be some consistency between affective component and cognitive component of an attitude. This affective component of an attitude, here it means to say that it is related to emotions, feelings, moods associated with the attitude object. But this cognitive component of an attitude, it is related to the beliefs, that is about evaluative attributes associated with attitude object, and there has to be some kind of good consistency between these two things. And in case there is consistency, and in case there is a greater consistency, here it means the greater the strength of the attitude behavior relation. And the next feature or characteristic is strength. What is this strength? Normally this our attitudes are based upon our previous experiences. And in case our attitudes are totally based upon our previous experiences, means there will be greater certainty regarding how we behave in a particular situation, or how is our attitude regarding a particular situation. The next is valence. Valence means it is relating to the degree of likeliness or unlikeliness of a person towards a particular incident or an event. In case a person is not at all concerned regarding a particular object, means his attitude, we say that it has low valence. Then the fourth one is direct experience. Normally, any person's attitude is based upon his previous experiences. And based upon our previous experiences, our attitude is also will be influencing, that is regarding future events. That means our attitudes in future events or future incidents will be directly depending upon our previous experiences. Then the next one is multiplicity. This multiplicity here, it means it is there are number of features creating the attitude. There will be more features that helps in creating an attitude. For example, a person may show interest in becoming a doctor, but not just showing interest. He shows his interest in so many ways. He will be working hard for the organization, that is in his profession, and he is very sincere to his duties, and he takes care of discharging of all his duties very promptly and neatly. That is the multiplicity. Then the last one here, it is relation to needs. Each and every person shows his attitude based upon his needs. Here they give the example, like in case a person goes to a film theater, means his need is only to get some sort of entertainment, and that's it. But in case of working very efficiently in an organization, means our needs are like we have lot many needs, that is to be comfortable at workplace, then by means that is to show our efficiency in our organization, maybe to get promotion on time, maybe to show our achievements, or maybe to get recognition at workplace, and maybe to have good satisfaction level. Then the next topic here, it is components of attitude. There are three components of an attitude. First one is affective component, the second one is behavioral component, the third one is cognitive component. So it is nothing other than A, B, C. So what is this affective component? As has been already told, affective component here, it is referring to the feelings, sentiments, moods and emotions of a person. And these feelings, sentiments, moods and emotions of a person are related to a particular person, event or an object. That is what we call an affective component. Then behavioral component. Behavioral component, here it is referring to the predispositions to get on a favorable or unfavorable evaluation of something. But the third one, C, a cognitive component. Cognitive component here, it has been related to the beliefs, mainly the set of beliefs. That is what we call here the cluster of beliefs, opinion and opinion, knowledge or information held by an individual. So all these three are being called as components of an attitude. In case you want further information regarding this, you can refer the books that are being mentioned here. Thank you.